What up everyone, this is Motorals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT content fill to load error that you may be getting. So let's go right into this. So there's two ways to fix this. The first thing is, if you're whatever browser you're doing this on, whether Chrome or Edge or Opera or whatever, right? Try logging into ChatGPT via incognito mode and try running whatever prompt or query you were there and see if this error goes away. If not, if it basically this is to check if it's the cache causing an issue or like your browser itself. If not, most likely it's a network issue, and the way to fix that is you want to go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. In here, you want to right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connected via Ethernet, and then click into properties. In here, you want to click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and then go to properties. In here, you want to change where it says obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, and change this to 1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press close, restart your computer, and restart the browser. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, guys, share, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and that Motorals out. Peace.